I want Jannatul Firdaus, and you want Jannatul Firdaus. For Allah to give us Jannah, for Allah to give us Jannah, a preparation is required. That preparation will bring about the mercy of Allah. Allah's mercy will come if we prepare properly. Fulfill your salah, do good deeds, look at those who are around you, solve problems. Allah has given such a great reward to people who like to solve problems. You want to solve a problem, Allah says, I will give you a reward. Are you going to bring people together? I will give you a reward. Are you going to try to bring the ones who are not talking to each other? They are not on talking terms. Are you going to try to bring them onto talking terms? I will give you a reward, a great reward. So if you want Jannah, you need to get the mercy of Allah. If you want the mercy of Allah, you need to do lots of good things. And then work on your bad ways, bad habits. Cut them out, change them. Don't speak words that are displeasing to Allah. Bad words, abusive words. If you want to say bad words, lies, deception, swear words. People use swear words so much today. Do they use them in Kumasi as well? Swear words. They use them. A'udhu billah. Is it true? You mean you use swear words here in this city? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Some people said no. No is a swear word in another language. May Allah grant us ease. Be careful what you say. Anyway, the point I want to raise is the tongue is one of the most important organs of the body. مَنْ يَضْمَنْ لِي مَا بَيْنَ لِحْيَيْهِ وَمَا بَيْنَ فَخِذَيْهِ أَضْمَنْ لَهُ الْجَنَّةِ. Whoever guarantees me correct use of the tongue and correct use of the private parts, I will guarantee him paradise. That is a statement of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Now, if you have sworn or you have fallen into adultery or something immoral, what do you do now? While I tell you what you do now, you seek forgiveness of Allah and you change your life. Allah says, we will forgive you. We will forgive you. Seek forgiveness and change your life, you shall be forgiven, and Allah will grant you a new opening by His will and mercy. Are we prepared to seek the forgiveness of Allah? Are we prepared to seek the forgiveness of Allah? Yes. May Allah forgive us all.